When I was about 8 or 9, there was a shule that opened up nearby, a storefront. And somebody told my mother about it, and so I went to the shule. I was Yiddish speaking. All I had to learn was the Aleph Beis, and I could read and write. So small classes. I had a wonderful teacher, poor, came from New York, lived on the Lower East Side, and that was his livelihood. He had 2 shules that he was the teacher of. And sometimes I would be the only, of 4, I was the only student. Like if it rained, the others didn't come. And he would go and buy me a penny candy to reward me for coming. But my shul was on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday afternoons. And in the winter, it was already Shabbos when I was going. So we played this little cat and mouse game with my Bubbe. She'd say, "Wo gehst du?" And I'd say, "Ich kann dir nicht sagen." Weil liegen kann ich nicht sagen, und im Emes wirst du nicht hören. Because we did write in shule. But we had music on another day, and we learned Yiddish songs.